Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to forcefully restart it just by pressing the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. And even though we've got this restart option, simply ignore it and keep pressing both buttons. And be patient. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration, and this is the moment I like to release the fingers. We've got the developer's logo, which means that our device will be powered on successfully in a second, and it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.